Wagwan viewers and subscribers, Dancehall Skilla here again once more. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Just some things I want to talk to you about in this video, alright? So first up, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show someone being somewhat searched by at least one person. Now the video that I'm talking about shows when a person was being searched by at least one person who was wearing what I call a type of vest that has certain markings on it, viewers and subscribers. Now, based on what I saw in the video, viewers and subscribers, I wondered if the video actually shows a law enforcer being searched by at least one law enforcer. You see what I say? And I'm going to present the video to you first, and then I'm going to point out at least one reason why I wondered if that video actually shows a law enforcer being searched by at least one law enforcer. I want you to look at this video and tell me if you think this video shows a law enforcer being searched by at least one law enforcer. You see what I say? Here's the video. Look, listen and observe.
How embarrassing.
Alright, now look careful on the people, see? Look. See? Watch it. The person I'll put up 2 hands to, you see that? Look, just look. See, think them what them are wearing, you see that?
Me zoom it up, man.
You see that? Look, you see that? You see that? So dirty. Just look what I go on, people. Just look what I go on. Just keep looking. You see, because I don't have certain confirmed information about the situation, that's why I wondered certain things about that video itself. You see me I say? So let me point out at least one thing about the video. You see me I say? Now look at the screenshot right here. Look at the screenshot right here. You see me I say? Tell me if you see the word police right there. And tell me what word you see. Now, I don't have any confirmed information as to why something like that happened, viewers and subscribers. And based on the situation that I can see in the video, I would like you to tell me if you think that video actually shows a law enforcer being searched by a law enforcer. See? Leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video. Oh yeah, and if you like the way I present videos to you, and if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And if you have been watching Dancehall Skilla channel for some time now and have not yet clicked the subscribe button, please do so and click the notification bell also so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? I read more than one news articles where it is said that a person who goes by the name of Bob Lee, who is said to be a tech executive and who is also said to be founder of Cashapp, was killed in San Francisco. It is said that he had been stabbed, viewers and subscribers. Now, in my words, and according to how I understand one of those news articles that I read, it is said that an earlier statement from the San Francisco Police Department said that officers responded to the report of a stabbing early Tuesday morning in an area in San Francisco, where they found a man who is said to be in his 40s suffering from stab wounds. So I got the understanding that news article said that officers rendered aid and summoned medics to the scene. The victim was transported to a local hospital with life-threatening injuries. And the same news article said that despite efforts by first responders and medical personnel, the victim succumbed to his injuries. Now, based on a certain amount of news articles that I read and information that I got, It seems as if the victim was not identified until a certain amount of time had passed. These words might not be exactly word for word as to how I read certain information in news articles. See, now me Dancehall Skilla, I did not get any confirmed information about any form of arrest when it comes on to the situation. Now I didn't get any confirmed information as to how many times the person might have been stabbed. It is said that police had launched an investigation into the whole situation, and some of the information about the situation are somewhat sketchy. Really a sad situation, viewers and subscribers. I hope that this video was somewhat informative, and you can let me know what you think. And I'm going to move on to another topic. I got information that 2 men are dead while another is wounded following what is said to be a high-speed police chase and shootout that happened in Manchester, Jamaica. Now, based on information that I got, viewers and subscribers, it is said that on Tuesday, police was alerted about a certain amount of men who stole goats from an area within the parish of St. Elizabeth, that's within the country of Jamaica. So it is said that police got a description of a motor vehicle that a certain amount of men were traveling in who are believed to be goat thieves, viewers and subscribers. See? So it is said that police saw a motor vehicle that fit the description. And it is said that the police signaled the driver of that motor vehicle to stop. However, and I'm going to say allegedly, it is said that the driver sped off, and allegedly it is said that an occupant of the motor vehicle opened fire on the police. Some people would say at the police. Anyways, so based on more information that I got, it is said that a high-speed chase and shootout happened. And it is said that the driver for the motor vehicle turned the motor vehicle to a certain direction. So it is said that police opened fire, but I didn't get any confirmed information as to how many shots police fired, viewers and subscribers. However, it is said that the situation resulted in 3 persons who had been wounded. So it is said that those 3 persons was taken to hospital, where 2 of those persons was pronounced dead and 1 had been admitted in hospital. I also got unconfirmed information about another person, viewers and subscribers, because based on information that I got, it is said that law enforcers did some form of search within the area. So it is said that police searched the motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers, and it is said that at least 1 firearm was found, and a certain amount of goats was found inside of the motor vehicle. Now the reason why I said certain amount of goats is because I got more than one information as to how many goats said to have been found inside of that motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers. See? Based on more information that I got, I'm wondering if there was anyone else involved in the whole situation, but I don't want to jump to no conclusion because some of the information them sketchy. I'm just give you information according to I got information. Alright, so my people, with that I'm going to move on to another topic. Now I got information that 1 man had been charged when it comes on to the armed robbery of a Beryllium limited courier van in Portmore, St. Catherine, Jamaica in March. So it is said that police held on to other persons who they believe might be involved in the crime, viewers and subscribers. So it is said that within the month of March, the year 2023, gunmen armed with high-powered weapons attacked a Beryllium security team. So it is said that gunmen opened fire on security guards or at security guards, and it is said that security guards returned fire, and it is said that security guards have been injured when it comes on to the whole situation. And for you, my viewers and subscribers, to get a better understanding about the whole situation, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video. And if you click that link will take you to a video that I did about the situation. And please bear in mind that this is not the only situation where it is said that gunmen attacked security guards in Portmore, St. Catherine, Jamaica, in what are believed to be armed robberies because of more than one incident. So according to police, it is said that the man who had been charged is facing more than 10 charges, viewers and subscribers. See? Right? Because we get more than one information as to the amount of charges. You understand? Alright, so I think here's where I'm going to leave the viewers and subscribers, just tell you about certain situations and so forth. Alright, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.